Hey everyone, Saturday morning, another day exercising, and yeah, so let's get at it and see if I can get rid of my gun left. All right, that was my second one of the day. The first one was at 5 o'clock this morning. This morning I did the workout on the bench too. I just pushed this one kind of hard, try to get stuff done kind of quick on it. So on the Gazelle, it registered over 100 calories burnt, and I did a mile on the exercise bike. At least what it says is a mile. Anyways, so yeah, I am a little winded because I was really pushing it on the bike there at the last. Whew. All right, so today is Saturday. Got probably going to be on Shadow Scout Swedes live. I'm going to see if I can broadcast it here as well. Then tonight is for Survival Saturday is after the power grid collapses, what is your plan? And that'll be an interesting discussion there. All right, in the meantime, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Get off the couch, get some exercise. Make sure you update your water, food, medicine, and clothing storage. Learn a new skill every month. Try to grow something indoors. All right.